Hi, my name is Sophie and I will be showing you how to complete your course enrollment in Flight Schedule Pro. Once you have completed your enrollment phone call, you will get an email from Crosswinds Aviation that says congratulations on your course enrollment. It is important to finish all the directions in this email before your first scheduled lesson. The email will ask you to log in to your Flight Schedule Pro account to create your 4-digit PIN number. This is going to be like a passcode or an e-signature that you're going to be using to sign off on your lessons. Click the link in the email that says Set up your PIN. It should automatically take you to Flight Schedule Pro to the Edit PIN prompt. Create your PIN number and be sure you do not share it with anyone, even your instructors. Now go back to your profile and scroll down to Course Enrollments. Once you click View, you will be prompted to accept the course documents. The enrollment certificate is your confirmation that you were successfully enrolled in the proper course. Next, please take some time to read over our safety practices and procedures. Download the training procedures guide for the aircraft that you will be flying for training. Once complete, you can enter your 4-digit PIN number you just created to acknowledge you've received the documents. You can now view your flight training course and all the lessons in the syllabus. This is where your instructor will be logging all of your flight and ground lessons. You can also see your course totals at the bottom. Now, when you go back to course enrollments, it should say enrolled instead of pending enrollment. This confirms you are finished with all of the steps, so make sure all these steps are complete before your first lesson. Please feel free to call or email any of our Crosswinds team members if you have any questions.